Hello everyone, welcome to the next unboxing here at Eurofish Aquatics. It's early in the morning, probably like 5 a.m. Just got both shipments in. Here in the background is a 55-gallon aquarium with two large aquarium co-op sponge filters. We got our white sand, piece of Mopani driftwood, a nice Trident Java fern, and aquarium co-op heater, some beautiful discus. The red ones is a new species, they're called nebulas. There's African knifefish in here, and we also have a L135 Dimini wormline pleco in there. So let's get started with some fish. Here we have a lionhead red cap goldfish. Beautiful red. These are tricolored horned neurites. Okay, here is your King Koopa neurite. It's also got little horns, but not spikes, not horns. It's called the King Koopa neurite. Here is zebra neurite. Focus for me, it's alright. We have, that just does not want to focus for me today, tiger neurites. Here we have a red racer neurite. Here we have some blue mystery snails. And we also have gold mystery snails from a local breeder that are very, very nice looking. We also have chestnut from a local breeder. And we have some green jades also from a breeder that just came in. Plenty of snails here. And our final snail, the white Hercules snail. Alright, finally brought in some more female bettas. Betas, I'm gonna call them bettas this time. So, let me get focus here. These are your female Delta Super Dumbo Ear mixed bettas. There's several to choose from. It'll be a variety, but they will all be female Delta Super Dumbo Ear in different colors. Here's an example. Nice, beautiful ears, healthy, young. Alright, here's another example of the female Delta Super Dumbo Ear mixed bettas. Really nice females. There is a lot. We have them in a 75-gallon sorority. We've upgraded from a 55-gallon to a 75-gallon female sorority betta tank. Come check it out. There is a lot in there, obviously, to choose from. It's a sight to see. And one last example. Show you the color variation here. They're beautiful female Super Delta Bettis sorority. Beautiful. A lot of colors to choose from. And here we brought in a giant koi placket betta male. These will grow to be up to 5 inches. You want a unique betta male? Here you go. Beautiful. Okay, here's a fish we haven't ever brought in before. Here is your giant white gourami. We have a red-tailed giant gourami, but this is a white giant gourami. Little baby. It's only about 1.5 inches, but it's gonna grow to be a monster. These things can live, I think, 18-20 years. They can get pretty big. Alright, here's a fish we've never brought in before. This is a Synodontis category fish. Let's see here if I can zoom in for you. Nice little catfish. These are called Multipunctatus catfish. Okay. Beautiful. Here is your gold Chinese algae eater. Here we have some fire sakura, super red cherry shrimp. Nice. Here we have a bunch of Reminos tetras. Alright, haven't had these in a while. Here's some nice Bolivian rams. Some customer requested them, so we brought in some nice Bolivian rams. Males and females, looks like. Long fin almost. Here we have some silver sailfin white pearl mollies. Here we have more of the Black Emperor tetra. Next is some yo-yo loaches. Why are they called yo-yo loaches? Well, because look, you can see the word yo-yo written on the side of them. But if you have a snail problem, these guys will take care of it. Yo-yo loaches will only reach about 4 or 5 inches max. They take a long time to get there. They live a very long time. Perfect loach for you. I'm gonna build a huge school of these yo-yo loaches here. And here is your tangerine lyre-tail mollies. Also go by 24 karat gold mollies, but these are called tangerine. And they do look a little bit darker than my 24 karat golds. Nice looking. It looks like black eye and silver eye, both a combination in here. Alright, this was a customer request. These are cosmic blue glowfish. Cosmic blue glowfish tetras. Here we have some stir-by Corydoras. Wasn't able to get Julii, but I do have stir-by here. Nice Still had some in stock, but I'm adding some more. Some good looking stir-by. And in the background you see that we have a black Venezuelan Cory. I got 5 coming in next week, so I'll have a school of 6 here available, but that is a large female, perfect for breeding stock. Alright, bunch of healthy neon tetras to add to our huge school in our 55 full of neon tetras. Great 10-pack deal here. It's another healthy bag of beautiful neon tetras. Alright, this is a new killifish we've never brought in before. It's new to me. Try to get it to focus because these things are beautiful. Killifish. Very, very colorful fish. These are your Forshesii goldfin red killifish. Try one more time. Forshesii goldfin red killifish. One more shot of these guys for you. Try to get to focus here. Beautiful fish. Alright, it was a customer request to get some platinum angelfish. Here we got some nice looking platinum angelfish. Alright, here we are restocking on our huge assortment of beautiful, healthy rainbow fish. So these are your turquoise rainbow fish, males and females. Turquoise rainbow fish. Here's a new rainbow fish we've never brought in before. These are called your Dorothy rainbow fish. Dorothy rainbow fish. Alright, here's another new rainbow fish we've never brought in before. These are called splendid rainbow fish. Very unique. Lots of different rainbows here. These are really good size, pushing 3 inches. Got some nice rainbows here. Always do. Big 55 of them. Probably 10 different species. Great price. Great quality. Come check them out. Splendid rainbows. Here we have an Emerald Wanamensis rainbow. Pretty sure this is a female. I have a customer who requested a female. He's got some males from me, so here we go. Emerald Wanamensis. Another rainbow. Basmani rainbows. Restocking on more Basmani rainbows. Here we have a smaller rainbow. These are your forktail rainbows. We have several nano rainbow species here also. Alright, here's another rainbow we've never brought in before. This is your Kamaka rainbow fish. Lake Kamaka rainbow fish. It puts us at like 15 different species here. 3 of them we've never brought in before. If you like rainbows, come over to Eurofish Aquatics. We have a ton to choose from. And this looks like a trio. Kamaka rainbow fish. Alright, here we have some more of that spit on that thing. You get me? Archer fish. We have some freshwater archerfish here. Oh boy, these guys are super nano. If you're looking for something for your tiny little aquarium, look no further. These are your Thai micro spider crabs. Okay, Thai micro spider crabs are filter feeders. But just to show you, let's try to zoom in on that one more time. Oh, that's so difficult. Sorry guys, thank you for your patience. Where's my finger? Yep, right there. So they're not very big, very, very small. Here we have a rare cichlid. These are your Starry Night cichlids. Starry Night cichlids are from Madagascar. Starry Night cichlid. Here we have bamboo shrimp. Have some nice chili rasboras. Always got some chili rasboras here. Alright, here's a new fish to us. Somebody requested it. These are your purple harlequin rasbora. Purple harlequin rasboras. That is a new species to our store here. I've never seen them, never heard of them until now. Young juveniles. Alright, here's something for my friend who's into brackish. These are some night gobies. Brackish night gobies. Brackish is basically water in between saltwater and freshwater. But he has some mud skippers, and these are some night gobies. I'll be able to go in there. Alright, here's a new fish to the shop. Never seen these, never heard of them. Check these out. These are your Amazon crystal tetra. Amazon crystal tetras. Interesting. Alright, here's a unique oddball for your fish tank. These guys are your leopard eels. Similar to fire eels, they don't get as big. They still get pretty big, but not as big as the fire eels. Leopard eels. 4 available here. Alright, here we have it. We have some rare vampire shrimp here. These are your giant jumbo blue vampire shrimp. Jumbo blue vampire shrimp. I've been waiting a very, very long time, almost 2 years to get these. Jumbo blue vampire shrimp. Alright. Here's some new pleco we've never brought in before. This is a L015 candy striped pleco. We got 2 here. L015 candy striped pleco. These look like they're nice and large. Beautiful. Never seen these before. Always heard of them, but That's a new pleco to me in the shop. And we got several plecos. I think we have over 10, 20 species of plecos. A lot of them we breed here in store, but and we also bring in the rare ones from all over the world, from your miniature plecos all the way to your jumbo monster plecos. We got some super rare blue-eyed plecos. But yeah, come check them out. Ooh, super excited to get this pleco back in stock. Oh yeah. This is your large Blue Phantom L128 Blue Phantom pleco. What a stunner. We have some jumbo green phantoms here, the biggest ones I've ever seen. Now we have the biggest jumbo blue ones I've seen. So come check them out. We got both, plenty of them, of the jumbos. All right, huge leak. Now you guys see what happens here. If it isn't triple bag, it could cost the fish its life, but we're gonna hurry up and get it out of here. This is another beautiful L128 Blue Phantom pleco. Wow, another jumbo beauty. This is your L128 Blue Phantom pleco. Alright, and one last beautiful L128 Blue Phantom pleco. Pretty sure they reach like 9 inches, 75 gallon or bigger, but you can put them in a 55 for now. Alright, look at that. All blue pleco. We also have the L200 Green Phantom pleco. They go excellent together in the same tank. Nice and wide. Beautiful fish. Show you the underbelly here. Nice. Alright. And here is the rarest pleco of the day. Doesn't look like much right now, but this is your beautiful L452 Mustang Cactus pleco. These guys will reach about 10 plus inches. Very rare pleco. L452 Mustang Cactus pleco. If you're into rare plecos, add this one. You won't be disappointed. Love to see it full grown or bigger. Only seen them this small, and I'll try to get footage of it coloring up. Alright, here's a new fish we've never brought in before. These are your Bengal tiger catfish. Bengal tiger catfish. Ooh yeah. Alright, here's a rare species of fish. These are your Senepa red pencilfish. Senepa red pencilfish. Very new species. It was only discovered a few years ago. A couple years ago, I think. Beautiful nanofish. Alright, this one's exciting. We got another dinner plate here. to join our beautiful, stunning, large discus. I breed discus, so we have babies all the way up into almost pretty much full grown beasts, but here's a stunning one second here. Pigeon blood discus, 7-inch pigeon blood discus. What a beauty. Yep, I think this fish speaks for itself. Come see it in person. We got some beautiful giant discus. Alright, now to the really good stuff. Now, it was all great having fun bringing stuff in for everybody, you know, from the nano world to the everything in between, and all the way up to the monster tanks and monster fish. So this is the monster fish we've never brought in before. This is called, let's show you this beautiful, stunning fish. Okay, now they change as they grow. This is a humphead carp. Humphead carps grow to be 18 inches. They're wild from Thailand, from the Mekong and the tributaries in Southeast Asia's fast-moving waters. So basically, as they get older, they'll develop this crazy hump head. They don't have it right now, but they have this beautiful rainbowish color. And what's awesome is they will eat hair algae, diatoms, so it's very useful and impressive addition to a large predatory tank, right? So there you have it, humphead carp. Very cool. And here we have another stunning, unique, oddball humphead carp from Southeast Asia. They will grow to be monsters. What a cool fish. Never seen one before. Glad to get, I am gonna order a couple more. I would like to keep them here in our display tank. But these ones are for sale. So come check them out, come get them. I'm gonna get a few more in. Humphead carp. Alright guys, this is one of the biggest monster fish we've ever brought in. We've brought in some crazy monsters. I mean, 6+, you know, fish that can get up to 6+ feet. There are people with tanks and ponds and basically custom aquariums to house these fish. And so yes, we are responsible when it comes to rehoming fish like these. And I'm a monster fish person myself. I have large aquariums and keep monster fish too. But anyways, this right here is one of the biggest we've brought in so far. This is called the giant devil catfish. The giant devil catfish is a little baby right now. But this fish here can grow to be, in the wild, up to 9 feet, 96+ inches. This is originally from India. So this is not your Mekong Gunj catfish, which we have here, which reaches 6 feet. And the Mekong Gunj catfish, if you guys remember, Jeremy Wade on River Monsters caught one. And I've showed several people the photo of him with a 6-foot fish with three other people holding it. And so that's from the Mekong, and this is from India. These are not your Mekong. They are still called the goonch, but they're called the giant devil catfish. So it's Bargarus CF Bargarus. We have this giant beast available. It's literally only, what, 3 inches, 4 inches right now. But it will live a very long time and grow to be a giant beast of a fish. Come check it out. At least if you can't house a fish like this, come see it in person anyway. Alright, and here we have another one. We have 2. This is your giant devil catfish. A true monster fish. Some of these in the wild have been known to be a man-eater, so this is definitely a man-eating fish. Definitely a true monster. Come check it out. Alright, last but not least, here is the final finale for this week's unboxing. Thank you for all those who recently subscribed and are watching our new unboxing videos. I appreciate you all for your support, and looking forward to making a lot of these every week. It's really fun bringing in new stuff for you guys. I love seeing it all. Here is our rarest tetra we've ever brought in. Other than the Czech Republic double longfin neon tetras, this is up in that scale for me as far as rarity. These right here, you've probably never heard of these or never seen them because it's a new species. It's been recently discovered, super rare. So these are your. They will color up, and I will show you guys. There's only 6 available because it's limited numbers. Alright, now these are your Super Red Devil Tetra. Super Red Devil Tetra is a rare, recently discovered species known only from the tributaries of the Upper Rio Tapajos and the Mato Grosso state in Brazil. It's one of the most sought after species currently in the hobby due to both its incredible deep red coloration and its rarity, which is due to largely to the extremely remote stretches of the river it inhabits in the wild. So both the males and the females display beautiful red color, with the males obviously have a little bit more red, but when they color in, I'll show you guys footage. I know it's not much. My arm's gonna take a break here while I tell you about them, but it's recently discovered. I just want you to know, because no one has these, they're not cheap. They're definitely the most expensive tetras I've ever seen. I know my double longfin neon tetras from the Czech Republic, when I first brought them, I saw them going for $25, $30 a piece for a single double longfin neon tetra. These are in that range, if not more, just at 1 inch. Once they reach over 1 inch, they double. So I just want you to understand, when you see the sticker on these, don't be so shocked, because they are super rare. That's how it goes. If they were just recently discovered and nobody has them, no one's breeding them yet, right? These are all wild caught. So I'm fully prepared, if nobody buys the 6 that we have here, that I've never seen anywhere or never heard of anyone have them in Washington State, period, is if nobody buys them in 3 days, I will be taking them home and I will be breeding them so I can make them available for everybody. I'm going to try to get 6 more, but they are limited, obviously, because they're a new species. So they're called the Super Red Devil Tetra. Always something exciting here. A little bit of everything for everyone. We have a ton of plants coming in. All of our products are full. Co-op order's going to be here by Friday. A big shout out to Aquarium Co-op Warehouse. Man, I ordered on Monday and they're delivering on Friday, which is the same week, which is insane, all the way from Kentucky or Connecticut or wherever they are. And that's exciting for me as a retail partner. and they've even taken care of the shipping, which I mean, I just can't thank them enough. That's a big shout out to Co-op. Thank you for everything you do for us. I appreciate you, and you guys made this business start and kick off with lots of help from you guys. So I appreciate it, and it's awesome to see that the warehouse is kicking behind and just getting the shipments out there fast, twice as fast when it first started. So it's awesome. Anyways, appreciate you guys. Come check out what we got. Big weekend here. Yeah, ton of fish from breeders. I'm bringing in fish from home. I mean, if you're a monster fish person, ask me what I got at home. I have a ton of tanks. I have a ton of big fish that I can't even, or too big to even bring into the shop here. So just let me know what you're looking for. You can also comment down below on what you want me to bring in next. I'm still looking for the glow angels, some other oddball fish that people are asking me for to hunt down, but let me know else what you're looking for. All right, appreciate you guys. Always looking forward to seeing you on the next one.